Welcome to our journey into the world of home remedies, their uses and how-tos. In our fast-paced lives, understanding effective, time-tested remedies can be a game changer. From honey for coughs to turmeric for inflammation, these natural wonders have been used for centuries to alleviate common ailments. But remember, it's always crucial to consult your healthcare provider before trying new remedies. Now buckle up and stay tuned as we delve into some proven home remedies. There are numerous home remedies, each with its unique benefits. Some have been passed down generations, while others are discoveries of our modern age. Today, we'll be exploring remedies like honey for coughs, aloe vera for burns, ginger for nausea, chamomile tea for sleep, turmeric for inflammation, and apple cider vinegar for sore throats. These remedies are simple, accessible, and have proven benefits that can help you manage common ailments at home. Let's dive into our first remedy. Our first remedy is a sweet treat, honey. This natural wonder is more than just a delicious addition to your tea. Honey is known to be an effective cough suppressant, thanks to its soothing and antibacterial properties. To reap these benefits, simply stir a spoonful of honey into a warm cup of tea or lemon water. Not only will this warm concoction soothe your throat, but it also aids in reducing cough frequency. Next, we move on to a plant with healing powers. Aloe vera, a miracle plant with cooling effects. This succulent species has been used for centuries, offering a soothing balm for burns. When applied, aloe vera gel not only cools the skin but also aids in healing, reducing inflammation and pain. To use, gently apply a liberal amount of gel to the affected area. Remember, this is for minor burns. For more severe burns, seek immediate medical attention. From a cool remedy, we move to a warm comfort. Meet ginger, your go-to for stomach troubles. This spicy root is a proven dynamo when it comes to easing nausea, and it's also great for aiding digestion. Whether it's motion sickness or a bit of overindulgence that's got you queasy, ginger can help settle things down. Now, for a quick fix, try brewing some ginger tea. Just steep a few slices of fresh ginger in hot water for 10 minutes, strain, and sip away. Let's now move on to a remedy that can help you get a good night's sleep. Having trouble sleeping? Chamomile tea might just be what you need. This centuries-old remedy is renowned for its calming effects, often used to improve sleep and reduce anxiety. All it takes is a few chamomile flowers steeped in hot water before bedtime. The soothing aroma and taste make it a comforting nightcap, easing you into a restful sleep. So the next time sleep seems elusive, remember, a cup of chamomile tea could be your ticket to dreamland. From sleep, let's move to a remedy that soothes inflammation. Introducing turmeric, the golden spice with healing properties. This vibrant root is renowned for its anti-inflammatory benefits, making it a potent remedy for joint pain and inflammation. The curcumin in turmeric is the magic ingredient, working wonders to combat discomfort. Now picture a warm, comforting glass of turmeric milk. Just mix a teaspoon of turmeric into your favorite milk, heat gently, and sip your way to relief. Remember, the best remedies are often found in nature's pantry. Next, we have a remedy that's good for your throat and digestion. Apple cider vinegar, a staple in many households. This versatile ingredient is known for its soothing effects on sore throats. Its acidity helps to kill bacteria and alleviate pain. Apart from throat relief, it also aids in digestion, making it a double-edged sword of wellness. To create a gargling solution, mix a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with warm water. Remember, moderation is key. Too much vinegar can harm your tooth enamel. Before we conclude, let's look at some safety tips. While home remedies can be effective, it's important to use them safely. Remember, moderation is key. Overuse can lead to unwanted side effects. Also, be aware of your personal allergies and conditions. What works for one person may not work for another. Always consult a healthcare professional before trying something new, especially if you have underlying health conditions. These remedies are meant to supplement, not replace, professional medical advice. With safety in mind, let's wrap up. We've journeyed through the world of home remedies, learning their uses and how-tos. From the soothing honey for coughs to the cooling aloe vera for burns, the nausea-reducing ginger, the sleep-inducing chamomile tea, the anti-inflammatory turmeric, and the throat-soothing apple cider vinegar, we've explored nature's medicine cabinet. Remember, moderation is key, and always consider your individual allergies and conditions. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.